Today I am reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is one of the most advanced and compact vlogging cameras available today, perfect for creators, travelers, and anyone looking to elevate their video content. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-paced action, or everyday vlogs, this pocket-sized camera is built to deliver professional quality results in a small, convenient package. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 3 is a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording in 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. This means you can capture ultra-smooth slow-motion footage or record vibrant, crisp videos with incredible detail, even in challenging low-light environments. Sunsets, cityscapes at night, or fast-moving action shots all come out clear and stunning. Framing your shots is effortless thanks to the expansive 2-inch touchscreen, which can rotate for both horizontal and vertical shooting. This feature makes it easy to compose the perfect shot, whether you're vlogging for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or simply capturing memories during your travels. One of the most impressive aspects of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is its advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky videos. Whether you're walking, dancing, or chasing pets, the Osmo Pocket 3 ensures your footage stays ultra-smooth and professional-looking. This stabilization is ideal for vloggers who want to move freely while recording, without compromising video quality. The camera also features ActiveTrack 6.0, which allows it to automatically follow your subject. Set it up on a tripod, jump, dance, or spin, and the Osmo Pocket 3 keeps you perfectly centered in the frame. Combined with fast and accurate focusing, every shot is sharp and in focus, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic action or detailed stills. For creators who want to push their videos even further, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, allowing for advanced color grading and post-production. With over 1 billion colors available, your footage can be edited to achieve cinematic quality results, making it perfect for shooting dramatic sunrises, sunsets, or travel videos. Audio is equally impressive. The camera captures stereo sound, ensuring immersive audio that complements your crisp video. For even higher quality audio, you can connect the Osmo Pocket 3 directly to DJI Mic 2 or Mic Mini transmitters, making it ideal for interviews, live streams, or professional-level vlogging. Despite its high-end features, the Osmo Pocket 3 remains compact, portable, and convenient. It easily fits into a pocket or backpack, making it perfect for travel, family events, or outdoor adventures. The camera comes with a protective cover, wrist strap, and handle with a 1/4-inch thread, providing everything you need to start shooting right away. For extended use, it's recommended to pair it with a DJI 30W USB-C charger. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combines professional-level video quality, advanced stabilization, precise focusing, and portability into one pocket-sized device. Whether you're a first-time vlogger, a seasoned creator, or someone who wants high-quality footage without carrying bulky equipment, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a versatile, reliable, and powerful vlogging camera that delivers stunning results every time. From crisp 4K video and smooth motion stabilization to face and object tracking, immersive audio, and advanced color grading, this vlogging camera makes creating content easier, faster, and more enjoyable than ever before. If you want to take your vlogs, travel videos, or content creation to the next level, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a must-have tool in your gear arsenal.